In today's video, I want to talk about a tool that a lot of people have been asking me about recently, and that tool is AI PPT. If you've ever pulled an all-nighter just to finish a presentation, then you probably already know this. The most time-consuming part of making slides is usually not the content, but the structure, the layout, and the design. At least, that's always been the case for me. What AI PPT really does well is something very simple but very important. It helps you skip the starting from zero part. Imagine this situation. Your deadline is tomorrow, your slides are still completely blank, and you're starting to feel the pressure. In the past, that meant your entire night was basically gone. But now, instead of starting from scratch, you just open AI PPT, describe your topic in plain, natural language, and within a few minutes, you're already looking at a fully structured presentation. The structure is there, the layout is consistent, the visuals, tone, and logic are already set up for you. That's what first caught my attention, and with a recent update, the experience has gotten even better. AI PPT now directly integrates ChatGPT. You don't need to switch tabs anymore, and you don't have to copy and paste prompts back and forth. You can chat with GPT directly inside AI PPT, work through the structure, refine the logic, brainstorm titles, and adjust content, all in one place. Honestly, the workflow feels very smooth, and yes, it really does save time. What surprised me the most, though, is that AI PPT now comes with over 200,000 free templates. Yes, 200,000. Whether you're creating corporate reports, educational slides, marketing plans, investor pitch decks, or minimalist presentations, you can almost always find a usable template right away. Most similar tools on the market offer only a fraction of that number and usually charge extra for it. Beyond templates, AI PPT also added a feature I find genuinely smart called the Prompt Optimizer. Here's how it works. You first clarify what you want by chatting with GPT. It helps you organize your ideas into a clearer generation logic. And then that logic is passed back into AI PPT. The result is presentations that are more consistent in structure and more unified in style. This actually fixes one of the biggest problems people run into when using AI-generated slides. Let's look at a few real use cases. The first one is students. One university student had to deliver 3 presentations in a single week. In the past, each deck took well over 10 hours. This time, using AI PPT's chat mode, each presentation was completed in about an hour. Later on, their professor even commented that the slides looked noticeably more professional than before. The second case is team usage. A marketing team uploaded their internal brief and market data, and AI PPT automatically generated a 30-slide investor pitch. Trend summaries, charts, and brand colors were all handled at once. The whole process took around 2 hours, compared to the 2 or 3 days it usually took their designer. Another scenario I personally find very useful is for research and academic work. A researcher uploaded a 50-plus page PDF paper and used the content compression feature to turn it into a clean, well-structured deck of around a dozen slides, perfect for conference presentations. For team collaboration, AI PPT also supports Google Drive connections and shared files. Everyone works on the same version, so there's no more confusion about which version is the latest. For me, that alone is a huge plus. The editor itself is clean and easy to use. You can switch styles instantly, replace visuals, or even generate AI images from text prompts, all without leaving the platform. Now, to be completely honest, AI PPT isn't perfect. For very niche topics or highly technical material, you'll still want to review and fine-tune things manually. But overall, it already eliminates a huge amount of repetitive, low-value work. In my own testing, what impressed me most wasn't just speed, but adaptability. You can start from chat, import Markdown or PDFs, or simply paste in a text draft. No matter how you begin, AI PPT adapts quickly and handles the formatting for you. In a way, it feels less like a tool and more like an assistant that actually understands what you're trying to do. Many professional users report time savings of 70% to even 80%. Students say their presentations are clearer and their grades have improved. Content creators love how easy it is to turn scripts into slides for courses or videos. Now, let's quickly talk about subscriptions. This is the paid plan section. You can see that discounts are currently available, and several features and benefits have been upgraded. So if you're still spending hours aligning text boxes, adjusting colors, and fixing formatting, AI PPT is definitely worth trying. It's not just about making slides faster, it's about freeing up your time to focus on ideas that actually matter. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments which AI tool has saved you the most time recently. I'm Ryan, and I'll see you in the next one.